Day one of building the man cave. Today's job is we're going to be coming outside. We're going to be taking down the old shed, clearing the back of the garden, taking up the old bits of patio, so we can mark out the square where the shed's going. Well, rectangle. There's going to be half a shed, half a man cave, so we can install some concrete footings over the next couple of weeks. Here's the basic outline for the build. I got the kids to give me a rough design of what they wanted, and then I jotted it down on paper, roughly to scale. If you can see there, this half here is going to be my shed. I marked out roughly square footprint because that's where I want to garage my motorbike. So we've got a roller shutter door going on the front here, and then this is going to have a bit of a games room where I have a bit of a sofa. I've got an old projector I'm going to make use of, so that the kids can watch some films, play video games and whatnot. Bifold doors on the front, possible roller shutter over there, so we can lock it up over winter if the kids don't want to get out. Or that's rough design for the front of it. I want to put security lights, full electrics, sockets, downlighters, and also I think a rough sketch. That's the rough side profile. I'm going to put an overhanging roof to put some downlighters over the doors as well to light it up at night, and then obviously finish off by landscaping the garden. Like I said, the first job is to demolish the old shed. Right, that's the garden cleared. Start demolishing the shed. Are you going to have a go, Alex? See if you can push shed door open. See how secure it really were. See, told you. I told you it reinforced it, you plank. Idiot. Yeah. I reinforced the frame. I thought it'd be stronger than what you think. No. Right, let's try it, key.
few moments later.
Sheds down, patio's up, big pile to get rid of. There we go, that's basically going to be the footprint of the new man shed. I'm going to put a new fence panel in there. That ivy's plagued me for years on my shed. It's cost me 2 new shed roofs, so I'm going to take that fence panel down, get rid of the ivy from behind, and put a new concrete post and gravel board fence panel in there. And then these 2 fence panels here, I've had a word with my neighbour, and I'm going to build my shed right up against the boundary, and then I want to get it rendered, because the front of my house is rendered white. It's just going to have a bit of a brick plinth, 6 inches, couple of quarters around the bottom, and then the rest of it's going to be rendered. But not bad for a few hours work this afternoon. The missus and the kids, and then what we're going to do tomorrow is get the old breaker out, smash up the old shed base, smash up the old concrete base that was under the old stone patio, which were here when we first moved in. Hopefully it's not that deep. I've got a feeling it is, but we'll see. And then we're going to square off where the building's going to go and dig out some trenches. Probably not get the trenches dug tomorrow, because I've got to get rid of all this lot. So we'll see how we get on tomorrow. Hopefully the weather rolled out. If you like the contents of this video, click on the subscribe button, give us a like. There'll be more content to come, hopefully throughout the build, from start right to finish. Plastered room, we might even show you the first time the kids set up in the games room with a console and everything. Thank you, see you later.